Students, how are you? Today is our class number 14 and today we will learn about simple engulfing, liquidity levels, and then we will learn about structure which we have been learning in previous classes. So first of all, I tell you in every class because this is back testing. With back testing, our experience will build and your confidence will also build and you can take trades in the real market just like we are doing in back testing. So first of all, let's talk about what we were discussing. We were talking about engulfing, right? Which engulfing to take? Only take the engulfing of day one. You have to note this, take the engulfing of day one. For example, this is a bearish candle or the color of the candle doesn't matter and the next candle can start from here or anywhere. The market will start at the open closing price here and in this condition it should have engulfed, meaning it should have swept this low and its closing should be above it. This candle can also be a wick, but visually you should be able to see that this candle is bigger than this candle and has also swept its low. Like here this candle is there and the very next candle has swept it here, and see this is an engulfing candle, right? After this, look at this candle, it has engulfed it, right? And just like here we have taken this too, right? After this the same setup is for bullish as well, right? This is a candle, sorry, it's bearish. This setup is when the market is going bullish and when the market has to retrace or target any of its levels, the market will come to in this condition, meaning it will sweep both the buy side and sell side, meaning it will have taken liquidity from above and close below, and it can close like this as well. Like here I have given an example. After this we take liquidity. Let's understand liquidity and entry. First we understand entry, then our entry is there. We can see the entry level on the line chart and also on the candlestick that our structure should shift like this, meaning buy side should also have liquidity, sell side should also have liquidity. Like here sell side has liquidity and its buy side also has liquidity, right? And after this, when the market creates its range liquidity, the market will target it and move like this because it has already targeted this. It will not target it, it will only pick this liquidity and become bullish, right? Similarly, if you don't understand liquidity, the market will go bullish like this. The market cycle, where the cycle is complete, now the market cycle is complete here also see the same setup here and it has formed from above. So now you have to start marking its liquidity, make post segment third, and after this the market will fall from here and then the market will pick its liquidity and become bullish. I will also give you an example of this on the real chart. In the real chart, our simple setup is this, our day one's engulfing is this, and our entry module is this, and the liquidity level is this. And on smaller time frames we do this 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute, we enter, and the base is our tie. The base is made by our tie. Only hungry like this, I haven't added monthly, weekly, because you will be disturbed by it, right? So now we start this walkthrough we took in the class, so we start from there. We are starting, its back was this, its line, etc. Let's finish it first and then we move here and see here this zone was tapped by the market and went away. Now this engulfing, if we market, this is a level that can make it sell because it is completely fresh, and here a liquidity level is forming. See here, it can be called FPR, it is also a liquidity level. This market picked it and went away. And if you see the market's structure, how is the market's structure going? See here, buy side is there and sell side liquidity is there, right? Buy side and sell side are clear here, and after this if you see, there is sell side here too and buy side also has liquidity. So here we have range liquidity, which I told you about. All of it was this liquidity, it is lying here, it is lying here, and this is lying here, right? This zone can make it sell. If you see, the market structure is bullish. So now we started and moved down. See here, the market is tapping in this zone. See, it is tapping in this zone. So what will we do? We will come to H1, see the session. Our session is New York, right? And after this we put it on 5 minutes, wait for the structure to shift. Here there is no structure shift, no structure shift. And if you see on minute one, here this thing is structure. See, buy side liquidity has happened here, right? Minute ones will change a lot. I am giving a simple example here. Sell side liquidity has happened, right? Here its liquidity was, now it is lying here, it is coming after hitting some level, the market is down. So here we do a sell, our base has reached, our base is this base, and if the market moves according to its cycle, See here, what was the market cycle? Buy side, sell side, its internal range liquidity is picked. So what will the market do? It will pick the opposite side's liquidity now because the cycle was complete here. So now the market should come here to this engulfing. So here we have set a here it changes. Right now we have taken a risky trade because minute one's big time frame 5 minutes 15 minutes H1 structure hasn't changed. So we see it with minute one. See here, according to minute one the market is becoming bearish, right? Our SL was also here reduced and the market started becoming bearish, and here now we will also keep the big time frame structure in mind. What is happening here? This structure is also changing, meaning 15 minutes structure is also shifting here. See here, the structure is shifting but there is no range liquidity in it. Let's see 5 minutes. 5 minutes is also changing now. Let's wait a little here and we will also see the day here. We will also see the day here. As we see the day here, the day comes, it comes here. Today, see here, all the liquidities are lying here. Where all its liquidities are lying here. According to the structure, we marked all of this. See, it is picking below. The daily same engulfing is lying in it. Liquidities are lying here. All of this, see. All the trend line liquidities are lying here, and the market here changed its structure and went right here. Buy side, sell side, it went. So see here, it is tapping in it. So it is important for us to let this whole day close. See this, it is tapping in its way. This whole day closed, right? The whole day closed, meaning now it is Sunday. We let Sunday stay. We will enter it on Monday. Now Monday has come. See now Monday, what Monday has come here, right? What we have to do on Monday was, now if we look at the buy side, this minute in this low should be swiped. It will swipe this low, then we will make it bullish, and if the structure changes from here we will make it bearish, which can also be its repeat, right? Here first of all we are coming to its low, and the low we see, we assume that it will swipe there, but it hasn't yet the market is swiping the digital low here. It's swipe is happening here. The low is being swiped here itself. So when we look at the smaller time frame, we see a set formation here. Look, all the liquidities are coming in here. After taking the liquidities, it turned bullish. Even on the daily, it's turning bullish. So where should the daily turn bearish? If we look at the 5 minute, if you see in the 15 minute, this liquidity is lying here, and if we look here, the liquidities are lying up to here. So we consider it bullish up to here. If you want to be bullish, you also need to change its structure. Here it's not very clear. We need to take the setup that is clear, right? We don't want to trade randomly. In a random trade, we will go along with it. Look here, it has a sell side and a buy side, and after that, all these could be its liquidities or helping. If it does a quick move, we will buy it up. Here, it has sold, and we are doing it on the basis of this angle. Look, it has also taken the previous low. Here, it has taken the previous low as well. So let's see, starting here in the 15 minute, we see the rest of the candles are also rejecting because this, if you look at the daily, the next day has also started. What was supposed to happen the next day was that this high was supposed to be swept. Then if it was to sell, we had marked our last point here. So up to here, we will see what the market does today. The ideology market is tapping into this. Look, the next day starts and we see if it survives on this, then we will vary it. We will sustain the session on our New York week. Here there is coverage. Coverage is coming. The market is first, and here we see what is happening in the market. It has also taken liquidity on the buy side here, and here it has taken liquidity on the sell side as well. Wait for the sell side, which is pending on the line chart. Here, let's see the next thing. Look, now read any sector. Look, the buy side has happened, and here the sell side has also happened. Here, the buy side will be sold, but we need to do the next day's work. Here, the interest has come, and we do it, and then look here, we move on. And the market has swiped. There was no protocol here. There is no range liquidity here. So until it is made, how can we do it here? Based on this, the loans are extremely high, and in this, the range is and its sell side is correct. And here we put the market on a 5-minute basis and plan it. The market has brought the same things. The market is targeting the same zone we were targeting according to the daily, because the market has engulfed. And after that, if you see, there is a small engulfing lying here which can also make it buy. If it doesn't buy, we can also take a send on its desk. So from here we see it. We keep it on the 5-minute with the 5-minute. Look here, we wait. If you see here, it has targeted the range liquidity here, not its major. Look, it is targeting the same zone and turning bearish. If we put it on the 15-minute, the market is bearish on the 15-minute. Look here, it's the sell side and the buy side. It's not in the range liquidities. If we put it on H1, it has done the buy side so far. It is pending to do the sell side, which can also be done in the New York session here. And if we do it for such people, the session is still running Asian here. Look here, our session is still running Asian. So now we have to target it a little. What does the market do? Let's put it on H1 here. Next bar, next bar, next. Look, what has the market done here? It has structured itself here. Look, the confirmation of the structure has come on H1 buy side and sell side, because our trade was running with the 5-minute which we had set up. Look, it was targeting the turner and liquidity here. Okay, our turner was a little above, so don't worry, leave the spread. You have to keep your target. Leave it, you have to set your target. Now we put it on the daily. Putting it on the daily, we do the next part. The next market is bearish. And okay, what happened here is that a bearish engulfing candle came, and after that another bearish engulfing. It took its low, and look here, this is a big bearish engulfing candle, meaning two confirmations have come to us. Our setup has also performed that the market has become bearish, and the market cycle was already on the sell side. So here start reading the structure. Wherever the market does buy, sell, you simply see where its range liquidities are lying. This is lying here, okay? And besides this, one is lying here, okay? If the market taps any one of these and changes the structure, we will set it again. Otherwise, we let it go. The market is on the bearish side, okay? Bearish, the market is bearish. If you look at the daily, see where the market is turning bearish. It's turning bearish. Which session is it? It's in the New York session. We can get it. In New York, we can get the trails. So look at the session. The London session has opened. The London session has opened, and the market is bearish. After that, we put it on the daily. But look here, the market is hoping here. Look here, which session has come? It's New York Friday. Here we have simple ones. Here we will wait for the cycle to form. So the market has to go bullish here. To go bullish here, if you see, which point is it going to be bullish here? It's not here, it's not here. If you see, this is a bulletin that can make it bullish from here to here. Okay, look, it hasn't tapped here yet. So we do it up to here, this one. I have marked this bearish candle is not marked. If the bearish had engulfed it, it would be okay. If the market comes here and changes its structure, we will let it stay on the buy side. If we see which one was it, this one is about to be tapped, this one. we give it to the engulfing. It did a straight drag, so it will go to test it. So we will do it. I think we stop today's class here. We will start the next class from here so that you understand one thing properly. If it's a long class G, you will watch it in parts and nothing will come to your mind. If it's a small thing, you will do it more, and we will start the next class from here. We have marked our levels, so see you in the next class.